In this video, I'm going to show you how to change font style, font sizes, and color of text within Microsoft Word. So let's say I have this text in my Microsoft Word document and I want to change the font style and the size. All I need is to start by selecting the text by clicking and dragging to select the text that I want to change the effect on. So I can come to the home and then come to font style over here. You can click, you can see different styles. Let's say I'm going with something like this Arial Hebrew, and you can search as well if you have a specific name, and you can see it has just changed it. If I'm going with Arial, you can see it has changed it. And the sizing, you can come over here and you can vary the sizing depending on your choice. You can see we can make it to something like 14. Alternatively, you can use these two letters for the sizing to decrease and to increase the sizing as well, correspondingly using these two. Now for the color, you can come over here. This gives you the text coloration. You can see this is the font color. You can click and you can change this to maybe red. You can see everything, the text is changed to red. If you want it in different color, you can just click and it is in that color as you saw, which you can see once you click out, everything is in that color. So let's select it again, and then you can change the background color of the text. So this is the background color, not the text color. Get the difference, the background color. This is background color and this is the text color. So let's say we get it back to black, and this is how to play around with the coloration, text, as well as the sizing, font style in the text. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.